The real big ones, though, are pertaining to exactly this: water quality and water quantity. Water doesn't flow from the lake to that river of grass any longer. Now, when water comes into the lake from Orlando and points north of the lake, that water is discharged to the Caloosahatchee River on the west coast that empties where Fort Myers, Sanibel, Captiva, that area, and then it's emptied to the east coast as well down the St. Lucie River into the Stuart, Florida area near Port St. Lucie and Jupiter Island. So that water that's now dumped east and west not only is unnatural in terms of these large freshwater pulses, it's also polluted. Water in Lake Okeechobee is polluted primarily with phosphorus, secondarily with nitrogen. When that water is released, it freshens those estuaries, which causes harm on both coasts, killing seagrass, impacting fisheries, impacting oyster beds. But the nutrient load also adds sort of a double whammy effect of fueling the growth of algae, toxic algae. And that also creates its own suite of impacts and even human health impacts. There's a very real impact on both of those coasts. Further south in the Everglades, because that water from the lake is polluted, and because the primary user of lake water is the sugar farms south of Lake Okeechobee, they're adding another layer of pollution to that water, so that the water the Everglades gets is essentially the runoff from those sugar fields.